Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to demonstrate an IT resolution agent built using AgentApps. This AI agent can automatically analyze IT support tickets, identify the root cause of an issue, connect to the affected system when needed, and even perform remediation. Let's see it in action. Create a ticket. In this example, the user reports that their system is running very slowly. The AI agent prepares a resolution plan and sends it for approval before taking any action. Let's review it. Here, the agent detected that a few processes are consuming high system resources and proposed a remediation plan. Once approved, the agent automatically executes the fix. As you can see, it closes the affected applications, performs the remediation, and reopens them. After completion, the agent updates the IT ticket with the root cause, actions performed, and the final resolution. Now let's look at the architecture. This solution uses one AI agent with three tools: a Zendesk tool to manage tickets, a shell tool to analyze and remediate the system, and an approval tool to keep a human in the loop before execution. Together, they automate the entire IT resolution lifecycle, from investigation to remediation.